Hey guys, running Kimono here, and on a whim today at 3 o'clock I went out to Ulta. I saw something on the Freebie Guys Instagram feed that this cosmetic or this skincare line, what is it? Vichy, Vichy, really top of the line skincare. 90% off at Ulta. I believe this is in-store only. You might want to check online if you can't make it out to a store. If you have an Ulta near you, I would try and get out there sooner than later, because I have this sneakiest suspicion that this stuff will not be in store really long. Like 90% off, are you kidding me? So I am so overwhelmed with what I did today. I got $431.74 of skincare. I used, the cashier was so nice. She actually, because I thought that you could use a 3 off of 15 with this, but I couldn't find it. And she's like, hey, let me look that up for you. And she's like, if it scans, it scans. If it doesn't, it doesn't. She actually found a 20% off coupon and it worked for this. So I got 20% off. Plus I had $9 of like, if you shop a lot at Ulta, whatever you buy, you accumulate points. And I had $9 on there. And then I used a $25 gift card. So I paid like $4 after everything was said and done for all of this out of pocket. And after I checked out, both the cashier and the manager ran back there to get more of the stuff, because I didn't clear the store, but there was a ton of stuff. And I honestly thought at 3 o'clock somebody would have hit up the store, but nobody did. So a lot of this stuff, I just got like lotions, because I've never tried this fancy line before. 90% off for some of this stuff. Like, this is just under, this is $431 for $4.41. Like, that's unheard of. Freebie Guy, thank you so much. So we're just gonna jog through some of these products. And again, I could have bought everything, but I didn't, because some of the stuff, I honestly didn't even know what it was for. My mother does like the fancier skin stuff, so I'm gonna be gifting a lot of this to her because I know this is right up her alley. So the first one is this Anti-Wrinkle Treatment, and all of these have expiry dates too. This one expires, sorry guys, it's very, very holographic, February of 2022. So I don't know if they're changing their packaging or what, but something's going on. $2.72 each. The original price point is $45. This is just, wow. This is some sort of gel, and I'm keeping one of these, and it's to brighten vitamin C and all that stuff. These were $1.72. The original price is $28.50. I mean, I would never pay that. I stick with my $6 Olay and call it a day, but like, that's some fanciness in a bottle right there. These looked really interesting too. They were $1.78 and the original price point is $29.50. They actually had a fourth one at this location, but it looked like somebody had opened and played with it, and I'm not about that. So I just said, you know, no thank you. But these look all sealed and okay. So, I mean, that was really good price point. And these were $1.87, and it's some sort of like hydration cream. And the original price point was $31. My God, this stuff is expensive. And then I got 3 of these, and I was thinking more of my mom for this one because it's for sensitive skin and it's supposed to reduce some wrinkles. I think my mom's gonna look like Jennifer Aniston after using this a couple of times. And it's $2.36. The original price point was $45. So if you might have a $25 Fetch Rewards gift card, I mean, definitely throw that on the table. If you can use this 20% off coupon, ask the cashier, super nice. This is not prestige brand, so that's why I thought it would scan. And the cashier was so nice, and she's like, hey, let's give this a shot. And it worked. And I was like, my jaw was on the floor. But to get like all of this stuff, and like after a Fetch gift card, I mean, that's why it is just the greatest app. You collect points, and then when you can pull something like this and get like, you know, all of this for $4, that's totally what it's about. So if you could make it out to Ulta, make it happen. And I mean, this is just absolutely tremendous. So I was even shocked that at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, all of this would be at our local store, but I hit the mother load. And again, I didn't clear my store. There was a lot of stuff. I wasn't even sure what it was for. Just some fancier stuff. And I was just looking for like stuff that I thought my mom might like. And I don't even, I tried this line, I think, once as a sample, and it was very nice. But I mean, for some of these price points, I mean, look but don't touch unless it's your favorite thing. So I am like super excited by this. So guys, I know a lot of you like skincare, and 90% off. This is gonna go really quickly. Good luck, guys. Next store that we have is Rite Aid, and I just did 2 quick deals. This is the last week before the monthly deals of August end, I believe. Yes. So I did 2 quick deals. The first one is courtesy of Ravi. He is amazing. It's on these Max Freezes. So they are on a buy one, get one for free. And they are also kicking back $5 of bonus cash for each. You can do it 4 times per store card. This is a monthly promotion. So there is a $4 coupon from a recent insert I used. I only used one because you can't use a coupon on a free item over at Rite Aid. So $11.99 subtracting that $4 coupon, got back $5 of bonus cash for each. So that was really fantastic. So it makes it a little money maker right there. The Glucernas, these minis are in fact included when you buy one of each. I believe you get $2 of bonus cash for each of them. So this is a Mrs. Empty Nester deal. So these guys are $3.99, grabbing 2 of them and using a $3 coupon from a recent, I believe, Smart Source. So you're going to pay $1.98 and get back $4 of bonus cash. So for these, these 4 items, guys, it was $19.97. I used 2 $3 coupons for the Glucerna, 1 $4 for the Zims Max Freeze. I paid $9.97 and then got back $14 of bonus cash. 10 for the Zims, 5 for each for these little pain blockers, and then $4 for the Glucerna. It made it free, plus a $4.03 money maker. How fantastic is that? And then just another quick little reminder, if you haven't done this deal at Meijer, you should probably pounce on it. 2 $3 M perks, making both of these pens completely for free. How awesome is that? Okay, guys, so before I take off, you guys are awesome if you've lasted this long in the video. We're having a quick flash giveaway. So this is going to be an interesting one, and it's going to be for 24 hours, and then on Tuesday, I'm going to pick the 2 winners and ship out the inserts and some stationery, which is always fun, and the 2 winners have 24 hours to get back to me, or I might pick somebody else, so, because the mail has been so incredibly slow over here, so, really, if you're going to participate, you got to be on top of that email tomorrow. So biggest shout out and thank you to Coupon John. He sent me the inserts, and they are from, I believe, the 8-9 Smart Source and Retail Me Not. So if you wanted to get in on some of those beauty deals this week over at Walgreens, we have some awesome coupons in here. But John just goes out of his way to do this to help you guys out, and I love sharing it with subscribers because I know that you know, a lot of you can really put these coupons to good use, or you might not even get inserts where you live. So yeah, John, thank you so much for being so kind and thinking of others. I think you might be Santa Claus. So this is how to enter. You have to be a subscriber to my channel. That is a must. And we have these cute little pens and cute little pencils. So I want you to pick which one you want. So one person will get the pens, one person will get the pencils. So in the comments, pick which one you want. And for example, an entry would be, say you're from Columbus, Ohio, write Columbus, Ohio pens. So you got to pick either the pens or the pencils. You can't have both. And the winners will be picked on Tuesday, August the 25th. So we'll have 2 winners. And just to let you know that I pay for the shipping, I pay for you do not have to pay a thing. This is a free giveaway to enter. I know a lot of people have been asked weird stuff like for credit card information for various giveaways on Facebook and other sites, and there's some fraud going around, but just being transparent, if you are ever asked something like that, just say like no. It should be free, 100% free. So just to caution you that in case you get a funny message from somebody pretending to be me, this is 100% free to enter. So good luck, guys, and start writing in the comments where you're from, and do you want the pens or the pencils? I just thought that would be funny with back to school being so close. Instead of a gift card, we would do this week. As always, thank you so much for watching, and thank you again, John, for being so awesome. These coupons will bless many. As always, again, thanks for watching. Bye, guys.